Creating an e-learning website with WordPress is achievable using plugins and themes tailored for online education. Here's a concise guide. Choose a domain and hosting. Select a domain name and sign up for WordPress hosting. Popular hosting providers include Bluehost, SiteGround, and others. Install WordPress. Use your hosting provider's tools to install WordPress on your domain. Select the Learning Management System plugin. Choose an LMS plugin such as LearnDash, Lifter LMS, or Tutor LMS. Install and activate it from the WordPress dashboard. Set up courses. Use your chosen LMS plugin to create courses, lessons, and quizzes. Add content, multimedia, and set access rules. Choose a theme. Select a WordPress theme compatible with e-learning. Themes like Astra, OceanVP, or eLumin work well for educational websites. Customize appearance. Customize your chosen theme to match your brand. Adjust colors, fonts, and layout using the WordPress customizer. Add user registration. Enable user registration to allow students to sign up for courses. Many LMS plugins come with built-in registration features. Payment integration. If you plan to offer paid courses, integrate a payment gateway like PayPal or Stripe to handle transactions securely. Implement gamification. Enhance user engagement by adding gamification elements like badges, certificates, or points for course completion. Test and launch. Thoroughly test your e-learning platform to ensure a smooth learning experience. Once satisfied, launch your website and promote your courses.